What's up everybody, my name is Strictly Juice, and today it's a bit of a quick video. I know this is a different video from what I usually make. I usually make gaming videos, but one of my other hobbies is guns and stuff like that. So this is my Juggernaut Tactical AR-15, and what was I gonna say? It's kind of funny. It took me like 20 minutes to figure out how to get this stock off. I'm fairly new to AR-15. This is my first AR-15, and I was like, how the hell do you take this stock off? Because other people saying like push this up, but like that's for different stocks. And I wanted to change that. I wanted to change it into this Magpul MOE SL stock, and I was trying to figure out how the hell do you take this off. And I don't know if this will save somebody some time if they're looking on YouTube or something like that, But yeah, I was looking on Reddit, looking on everywhere. I was like, oh man, I'm so dumb. I can't even figure this out. But I was just playing around. So basically, there's these two pins right here that actuate your like the stock to slide up and down, right? Basically, what you do, see, there's two pins right here, one pin right here, one pin right here. You're gonna push these two pins down. Let's see if I can do it with one hand. No, I don't think I can do it with one hand. You're gonna push these two pins down with your hand, like with your own force. Push them downwards, right? Then you're gonna just slide it all the way up. All right, let's see if I can do it with just one hand. No, I can't do it with one hand. You're just gonna push these two pins down, and then it's just gonna slide right off. So let me do that off camera. I can't really do it with one hand. Okay, so I already pushed them down, and then look, it just slides right off. Easy as that. I don't know why it took me so long to try and figure how to get that out, but I mean, if I save somebody some time, you're welcome. But anyways, you guys have a great day. Like and subscribe if this helped you out, and peace.